Hello guys, so to unlink okay, let me go to my instances. So from here, you already have one of these instances linked to your domain name, and you want to disconnect this instance and terminate it, then link your domain name to another instance. The first thing to do is to copy the IP address of the new instance that you want to link. So let's say this is the new instance I want to link. So I'll just come here, copy the IP address of this new instance, and then I search for route 52. I'll be 53, sorry, route 53. So it appears here. Once you start typing route, it appears here. So we click route 53. So once you get to route 53, you're going to see DNS management, and it's going to show the number of hosted zones you have. It might be 1, it might be 2, but may have 4 hosted zones. So don't worry about this 4. Your own might be showing 1. So just click hosted zones. So now this is the hosted zone that you're going to see. You're going to see your domain that you've already linked with a previous instance. So let's say I want to unlink this one. So the one I want to unlink is my domain.me. So I just clicked it and it took me to this page. So you highlight this. You know that this will not be highlighted. When you get to hosted zone, you have to highlight this, like just tick this box, the one that has your IP. You can see this IP. This was the first IP that we connected. So now we want to remove this IP and put another IP. Once we remove this IP and put our new IP, it will automatically be connected to that instance. So you just click the box that has your IP address on it and you put edit record. So now you can change this IP address. So you just paste your new IP. Let's paste the new IP control. So now I don't want it to be linked to this IP. I want it to be linked to this instance. This is a public IP address for my old instance. This is a public address for my new instance. So I'll now click save. So they say server domain was successfully updated. So now this IP address will be linked to this domain. I don't need to do anything here. Once I put these 4 links, I have no issue with this. Like, I have no business with this platform again. The only business I have with it is with my AWS. So it is in your AWS that you always come to hosted zone to edit this to edit your public IP. Anytime you change instance, anytime you terminate one server, you want to run another server, you just come here, you highlight this part that has your public address, then you click edit record. This will appear. You click edit record and then you put the new IP address that you want, and once you save, it automatically is redirected. You don't need to do any other thing. So once I save, and then I'm through. Once it just says successfully updated, you're good to go. So you can just go back to your instance or go to your new IP address. I don't have anything running there, so it's not going to show anything. But if you have a server running, it will appear here, or you can put your domain name that you just bought. You just put server. Okay, for me, let me go to my Roland. So it's going to pop up. I've linked it, so it's going to pop up.